day to all the dear students. This is chapter number 12, Similar Triangles, part 3. In this part, I have solved exercise 12b, few questions from question number 9 and onwards. Also, in exercise 12c, we have some calculate type of questions which I have solved here. So, please understand the concept. Chapter 12, exercise 12b, question number 9. A man of height 1.8 meter is standing 5 meter away from a lamp post. So here AB is a man whose height is 1.8 meter and he is standing away from a lamp post CD from 5 meter away, and observes the length of his shadow is 1.5 meter. So here is the lamp post. So the man's shadow will be on other side of the lamp post and whose height is 1.5 meter. Find the height of the lamp post. So here we want to calculate the length of CD. So here I have taken angle theta and I take here E, so that we get a triangle. First of all, I take in this smaller AEB triangle. In triangle AEB, tan theta, tan ratio, tan theta is equal to opposite, that is AB upon adjacent EB. So this way we can write the values here. Tan theta is equal to AB is 1.8 and EB is 1.5. Now 1.8, 1.5 upside down, you can see the decimal point we can remove and write 18 by 15. So by calculating we get 6 by 5. So tan theta value here we derived is 6 by 5. Now we use this value to solve another triangle. Now there is a big triangle CED. I'll take tan ratio in the triangle. Tan theta is equal to, that is in, I write here in triangle CED. So CD opposite upon ED, that is adjacent. Now tan theta value is already, here we have 6 by 5. So I substitute here 6 by 5 is equal to, CD is lamp post, the value we want to find out, and ED means the whole, that is 5 plus 1.5. So I write here 5 plus 1.5, it will be 6.5. So now to get our CD value, I take this 6.5 here in the numerator divided by 5. So this will be 1.3 by cancellation, 13 5s are, and now calculating here we get 7.8 meter, which is the length of our lamp post. So the value of lamp post CD is 7.8 meter. So this way we can calculate question number 9. So you see the figure here. Question number 10. It is given two ACE and BCD straight lines and accordingly angles and sides given. You have to complete the statements here by filling the proper value, that you can do by yourself as homework. Now taking question number 11. Here in question number 11, the triangle ABC, you can see triangle ABC is right angle at C. So this is our C right angle from P, a point on the hypotenuse. So here is the point P on the hypotenuse. You can see hypotenuse is AB, on AB we have point P here, and from that point PQ is drawn parallel to AC, cutting BC at Q. So accordingly I have drawn the figure here, and if AC is equal to 2.5, so here I have written AC 2.5, BC 6 centimeter and PQ 1 centimeter. Find BQ and BP values. So let us start solution here. So for solution here, first one we have can say here that PQ is parallel to AC. So triangle BPQ is similar to triangle BAC, because you can see the corresponding figure. You can see BPQ is similar to BAC. Now we want to find BP and BQ. So I take ratio accordingly. So here I take PQ upon AC is equal to BQ upon BC is equal to one more thing, that is BP upon AB. I write all the three sides ratio. So here PQ value is 1 and AC value is 2.5. Then BQ value is we want to find out, and BC value is 6 given. So first of all I take only these two ratios here, first and second. So from that I can find BQ value. So now BQ is equal to 6 upon 2.5 by taking it cross, and then solve them accordingly. So 6 upon 25 by 10, the 10 I take up, 5 5s are and 5 2s are, 6 2s are 12 by 5 centimeter, and 12 by 5 you can calculate in point also accordingly. 2.4 it will come, 5 2s are 10 and 2.4 centimeters. So we get here our BQ value. BQ value is 2.4 centimeter. Now secondly, for the second value here, second is which value? BP. So for that I take first and third ratio, that is PQ upon AC is equal to BP upon AB. Okay, here AB is also unknown and BP is also unknown. So PQ value here, PQ is 1 and AC is 2.5. I substitute. BP we want to find out, and AB also we have to find out. So here the problem is we have two unknowns. So what we'll do, we will take so for finding AB value, we can use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So I can write here AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now AC is 2.5 square and BC is 6 square. So this is 6.25 and this is 36. So I get 42.25. Therefore, AB value is, by finding square root of this, we get 6.5. So this is answer 6.5 centimeter here. By taking square root we get. Now we can substitute this value. So I write it here. So what I get here is 1 by 2.45 as it is. BP we don't know, but AB is 6.5 using Pythagoras theorem. So BP is equal to 6.5 upon 2.5. Now removing decimal point, we can write 65 upon 25 and that will be 13 by 5, and calculating we get 2.6. So BP value is equal to 2.6 centimeters. So accordingly we get two values here. BQ is 2.4 centimeters and BP is 2.6 centimeters, which are the answers of our question number 11. This is the figure you can see. Exercise 12B, question number 13. Now in question number 13, we are given figure. This is the figure I have drawn on the board, in which angle ADE is equal to angle B. So here you can see angle ABC is ADE is equal to angle B. Show that triangle ABC is similar to ADE. So first of all, we have to show here that the big triangle ABC and the small triangle ADE are similar to each other. For that, I have written here, first of all, you can see to show triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Also, we are given values of AD 2.7 written in the figure 2.7, then AE 2.5 and BE 1.1, BC 5.2. We want to find DE value. So first of all, we will show triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Now for that, here I have taken the AB ratio AD. AB ratio AD, corresponding sides ratio. So here AB value is AE plus BE, that is 2.5 plus 1.5, 1.1, 3.6. The total is 3.6 and AD value is 2.7. So you can see the decimal point removed, 36 upon 27, and it is cancelled by 3 upside down. So I get 4 by 3. Also in the question it is given angle ADE is equal to angle B, which I have written as given. And the third condition is angle A is common to both the triangle, you can see. So I have written angle BAC is equal to angle EAD, which is common to both the triangle. So by angle side angle, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. First part we have completed, show that part. Now we will find value of DE. So I have written this AB upon AD, again AB upon AD, and which value we want to find? DE. So write BC upon DE, that is corresponding sides ratio. Now AB upon AD we have already found here 4 by 3. So I place the value here 4 by 3. And BC value is 5.2, DE as it is. So I take in cross DE and this 3 upside and 4 downside. Like that you can see DE is equal to 3 multiply 5.2 divided by 4 and 4 into 1.3, 5.2. So cancellation. So DE is equal to 1.33 is a 3.9 centimeter. So here we found our final answer, DE value 3.9 centimeter, and the figure is accordingly you have to show triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Exercise 12B, question number 14. In the figure, AB, EF and CD are parallel lines. So I have drawn here symbol of parallel lines, you can see. Given that AB 15 centimeter, EG 5 centimeter, GC 10 centimeter and DC 18 centimeter. Calculate EF and AC. So here first of all we have one triangle ABC, the other triangle EFG and CGD and the EFC. So many triangles. So students, according to the value we want to find out here. In first we have to find EF value. So we have to prove or show the according similar triangles using our conditions of similarity. So first of all I took triangle CGD. CGD means this one, CGD, this triangle, and EGF. EGF means very small triangle in between. So these two triangles I have to prove first similar. Then only using the definition of similarity I will find value of EF. So for that I started my solution with EF parallel to CD, which is already given in the question. EF parallel to CD. Now according that angle FEG, this symbol you can see is equal to DCG, the same symbols I have made. Okay, then EFG, that is in this one, EFG is equal to this GDC angle. These two are also made with black color, same symbols you can see are equal. Why? Because they form alternate angles. Because EF and CD are parallel lines, so these two angles are forming alternate angles. Then this in between angles, they are EGF and CGD. They are forming vertically opposite angle. So three of the angles of triangles are similar, or you can say equal in measure. So by AA axiom of similarity, triangle CGD is similar to EGF. I have first completed the proof how they are similar. So now using definition of similarity, I can show here the calculation, that is, first of all, CG upon EG. CG upon EG is equal to CD upon EF, the corresponding sides ratio. 10 by 5 is equal to 18 by EF. So 5 2s are 10. EF taking this side and 2 in division, 18 by 2. So EF value I get 9 centimeters here. Now in continuation, we have to show AC value also we have to find. For that, I will take triangle CAB, this big triangle, and CEF, this one, another triangle. I will show them similar. So first of all, AB similar is parallel to EF, that is already given in the question. So using it, angle BAC is equal to FEC. You can see BAC, the circle is drawn with green color, and FEC also there is a green color circle. Then angle ABC, that is a cross drawn here, and angle EFC, there is also cross drawn here. So they are forming corresponding angles between two parallel lines. And angle ACB, that is this angle ACB is equal to ECF. This angle is common to both the triangles. So I have written in bracket common. So by AA axiom of similarity, you can see three of the angles are equal in measure. So we can write triangle CAB is similar to triangle CEF by AA axiom of similarity. Then we want to find AC value. For that, according ratio of these two triangles, I have taken AC upon EC is equal to AB upon EF. So AC value we want to find EC. EC here 5 plus 10. So 5 plus 10, 15. And AB also 15 given in the question. And EF we have found here in our first part only 9 centimeters, which I substitute here 9. So AC is equal to 15 into 15 divided by 9. And by calculation, I get our answer number 2, AC is equal to 25 centimeter. So this way, question number 14, by finding two proofs and then we get the according values. Exercise 12B, question number 15. Calculate the other sides of a triangle whose shortest side is 6 centimeter and which is similar to a triangle whose sides are 4, 7 and 8 centimeters. So students, I have taken here two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, which are similar to each other. Also, I have taken the shortest side, that is 6 centimeter of triangle ABC, and accordingly triangle DEF shortest side 4 centimeter and the other two sides 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now we want to find the corresponding the triangle ABC's other remaining sides, means BC and AB value we want to find out here. Now for that we will take our definition of similar triangles. What our definition of similar triangles says, that corresponding sides ratios are equal. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So accordingly we take ratio. First of all, we start with the sides known to us. So AC is the knowing side and DF according to it. So I write AC ratio DF is equal to BC ratio EF. Then AC and DF values 6 by 4 is equal to BC. We don't know, we want to find out, and EF here kept as 7. Now in the next step, BC is equal to this 7 go on the crossway. So 6 multiply 7 upon 4, and then by cancellation we get 21 by 2, and 21 by 2 means by decimal we write BC is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So the side BC value we get as 10.5 centimeters. Now we see for this AB side. So for that, which is the ratio known to us, that is AC ratio DF, that value we have already given as 6 by 4. So I have written in a reduced way 3 by 2 here. And now the unknown side AB upon DE accordingly. So here I kept the value 3 by 2 is equal to AB upon DE, and DE value is 8. Now taking this crossway, AB is equal to 3 multiply 8 by 2, and then cancellation I get AB value 12 centimeters. So we get both the unknown sides answers here. They asked to get the calculate the other side. So here we found both the remaining sides values. Question number 16 here. 16 question in triangle ABC. So here is triangle ABC. DE parallel to BC. So we are given DE parallel to BC. So now accordingly symbols are given in the figure. You can see. Now I took here B part, in which AE is equal to 2.7, EC is equal to 4.5, and AD is equal to 2.4. So we want to find value of BD here. Now according to theorem 1, if we solve, then we can write AD upon BD. Here AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE or EC, whatever you can write. So this way we can use theorem 1. Now AD value is 2.4, BD we don't know, AE 2.7, and CE is 4.5. So accordingly I kept the values also here. Now we calculate it accordingly. So for that I write here BD value I want, so that 4.5 upside and 2.7 downside in a crossway we can write. Now we solve this 3's are. So here 0.8 and here 0.9. Now here 5's are, it will get cancelled, and we get value of BD 4 centimeter. 8 5's are 40 and 1 decimal point. So it will become 4 centimeter, which is the value of BD. So you can see students here, this is the figure in which we are given DE parallel to BC, and then I have solved question B. So accordingly you can solve question A also same way. Question 16, I take number D. If here in this same figure AB is equal to 6 centimeters, AD is equal to 2 centimeters. Given in the question, AC is equal to 9 centimeters. We want to find length of CE here. For that, see the figure first of all. AD is this much part and BD is this much part. So if I subtract from AB AD, so here I write AB minus AD, then I get value of BD. This is 4 centimeters here, which is 6 minus 2, 4 centimeter. Now you see the figure. In the figure AC value is given 9. So AC, this total, the downside part is given 9 centimeter, and we want to calculate CE value. For that I take this much part x and this much will be 9 minus x. Then only the sum will be total 9 here. So I wrote here let CE is equal to x and AE is equal to 9 minus x. So you can see figure in which how the partitions are allowed or you can manage. Now we have to use theorem 1. So AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE or EC, whatever you can write. Now placing value here, AD 2 and BD we found 4 is equal to AE 9 minus x and CE x. Taking cross multiplication here and we can cancel this as 2 2s are 4. So now here only x because 1 only remains, and with 2 we will multiply 9. So 9 2s are 18 minus 2x. Now this minus 2x taking on left side, so become plus 2x. So 2x plus x is equal to 18 and so 3x is equal to 18. So how much we get? Here x is equal to 3 6 are 18. So here x value we found 6 centimeters. Now what is x I have taken? CE. It means our CE answer which they asked to get is 6 centimeters. So this way by some adjustment in the figure you can get your full answer correctly. Now students, exercise 12C, prove that type of questions are omitted this year from your syllabus. So I take only few questions which are calculate type of questions. So here I take question number 1 in which in triangle ABC. So here is triangle ABC. AB is equal to 6 centimeters and AC is equal to 3 centimeters. If M is the midpoint of AB and a straight line through M parallel to BC cuts AC in N. So what is the length of AN? We want to find this AN length. So this way in the figure you can see how I have written. Also it is given M is the midpoint of AB. It means the whole side AB is given as 6 centimeters. So it will divide AM and MB in 3 centimeters. Okay. Now we want to calculate value of AN. So let AN is equal to x centimeters and then we can write here CN value. CN value will be 3 minus x. So CN is equal to 3 minus x. Now we use our theorem 1 to calculate. So how we calculate this? Using AM upon BM is equal to AN upon CN. So likewise we have written our values. Now AM also 3 and BM also 3. AN taken x and CN 3 minus x. So this will get cut here 3 upside down. So here I get in a cross way, if we take the value then this way we can calculate 3 minus x is equal to x. Here is 1 1. So with 1 if you take multiplication we get the same. So 3 is equal to this minus x go this side, x plus x. So that way I get 2x is equal to 3 and so x is equal to 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is 1.5 centimeters. So here x means what we have chosen? AN. So AN answer is 1.5 centimeters. So here I write answer AN is equal to 1.5 centimeters, which is our final answer. So this way you can get your answer. You can see the figure again this way and the solution. Exercise 12C, question number 3. Question number 2 is prove that type of question which is not in our syllabus. So I take question number 3 here. So now in question number 3, it is given that figure in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB. So here this is triangle ABC, D is the midpoint here, and E is also the midpoint. So midpoint means AD and BD ratio same. Also AE and EC also same. Now calculate DE. We want to calculate this DE value. If BC is given 6, so I have written BC 6, we want to calculate DE here. Now you can see that we are given AD and BD equal, means midpoint. So I write let AD is equal to X, so BD also X. Why it is like this? Because D is the midpoint, so both the parts are equal. So what is AB? Whole value of AB, X plus X become 2x. So right here AB 2x. Also we have to find now BC value, but for that we have to show that triangle ADE and ABC are similar to each other. So I have shown in the short here triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. How? So angle DAE, you can see this angle DAE is equal to angle BAC, which is common to both the triangle. Also AD upon AB. Why? The ratios are equal 1/2 only, because D is the midpoint. Also here AE upon AC. The ratios are equal again, as D and E are midpoints given in the question. So now we can write ratio AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC, as triangle ADE and ABC are similar to each other. So the corresponding sides ratios are same. Now I substitute value. AD I have taken X and AB is 2X is equal. DE we want to find out, and BC is given 6 here. So XX cut here, 6 will go this side and return here. DE is equal to 6/2, and that will be 3 centimeters. So DE value is equal to 3 centimeters, which they asked to get here 3 centimeters. Also in the second part it is asked that find the value of ADE, angle ADE. Why? And DBC. So this angle in the figure is already given 140 degrees. So we want to find this angle. Okay, so already we have proved here AD is similar to ABC. So we can write, if the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. So I write here first as triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC is equal to 140 degree. So here we get our both the answer. First is DE is equal to 3 centimeter and the other is ADE value is 140 degree. So using our definition of similarity and theorem 1, we can find any values. Exercise 12C, question number 4. ABCD is a trapezium. So here ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to CD. If AB is equal to 10 centimeter, you can see in the figure I have drawn AB 10 centimeter, and also it is given ADBC is equal to 4 centimeters. It means AD this side and BC this side, both are 4 centimeters. Also DAB means DAB this angle and CBN this angle, both are of 60 degrees. So likewise in the figure we have written. Now calculate the length of CD. We want to find this length CD. Now in the figure I have to draw some more adjustments accordingly, as we are not given the proper values. So I take here perpendiculars, DM perpendicular to AB and CN perpendicular to AB this way. So here I draw sign of perpendicular so that it will be clear to you. So they are the right angles forming. Also this hole is 10 centimeters. So I took let AM X and BN X. So I write here, let AM is equal to BN is equal to X centimeters we have chosen here. Now if we want to find X value, so see students, we want to find CD value. Actually for that this all arrangements have been done. So this is 10 centimeters. So I have taken this part and this part XX. So that from 10 if we take 2x part subtraction. So 10 minus 2x, that is our MN value. And MN is same as CD. So that CD also 10 minus 2x. So accordingly we have to take the values. Now this is the right angle triangle and this angle is given 60 degree. So I take cos 60 degree to get X value in this triangle. So you can write here, in triangle DAM, in this triangle cos 60 degree is equal to the adjacent upon hypotenuse. So X by 4. Cos 60 value 1 by 2, X by 4. So to get X value 4, go on that side. 4 by 2. So X is 2. Means here also AM and BN, what we have chosen XX. Both are 2 centimeters. So now we can write our CD value. CD is 10 minus 2x. So 10 minus 2 into 2. Value of x is 2. So 10 minus 4, that is 6 centimeters. So we found our first answer here. CD, they asked to get CD 6 centimeters. Now secondly, the distance between AB and CD. So this is the distance between AB and CD, that is DM and CN. Both are same. So we'll find using again our trigonometrical ratios. So in this figure, if I take sine 60 degree means opposite upon hypotenuse, then we can find this perpendicular distance. Okay, so I write here, this is sine 60 degree is equal to dm upon 4. So now placing sine 60 value. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So here I substitute root 3 by 2 is equal to dm by 4. Therefore dm is equal to 4 in the multiplication upon 2. So 2 2s are 4. So how much I get here? You can see root 3 2, that is our dm value. So now I get my final answer here. Answer dm is equal to 2 root 3, which is same as cn. Cn and dm, both the values are same. So this is second answer, which is distance between AB and CD 2 root 3. So students, you can see the figure. This figure is very important to understand first, and then how the arrangements are done to get the values, that you have to understand and write accordingly. Exercise 12C, question number 5. First, you can see the figure. From the figure, we have to find marked length. Here, x and y values we want to find out. Actually, the figure is parallelogram we are given. You can see this parallel to this parallel to this. Okay, so first of all, DKC similar to BKA, that I have taken. DKC means this triangle and BKA means this triangle. They are parallel. How? They are similar. How? So first of all, I have taken this opposite, vertically opposite angles are equal. Also, these sides are parallel to each other. So they are forming alternate angles here, and these are forming also alternate angles. So this way we can show here this all the angles are equal. So by AA similarity we can show triangle DKC similar to triangle BKA. So I have written the corresponding sides ratio KC upon AK is equal to AB upon CD equal according to definition of similarity. Now KC value is given 8 in the figure and AK also 8 is equal to AB 10 and CD y. So 8 get cancelled and y value is 10 I found here. Then for x value I have taken triangle DKA, the smaller one, is similar to CKF, this way. Why like this? Because now it is confirmed that this figure is parallelogram. So if this is 6 and 6, 12, means this is also 6 and 6, 12, we can write. Also we have shown these two triangles similar, and so these two are also similar to each other. So I have written triangle DEK is similar to triangle CKF, and then return their corresponding sides ratio, that is DE upon CF is equal to EK upon KF. Now DECF we are not given, but just now I told you that the opposite sides in the parallelogram equal, so accordingly I have written 6 and 6 here, and EK is 5 given and KF x. So 6 get cancelled and x value is found as 5. So similarly students, the second and third values, these figures given to you in the textbook, you can get the values same way using concept of similarity and definition.